Hello everyone, this is Anjali. How is 2020 treating you and how is your reading going? For me, it's treating me really well. I could not believe that January has passed and we are in the mid-Feb. I don't know how. And this year I'm also reading not just to review, I am reading to enjoy. As I started it to enjoy it, but I got caught up in so much reviewing vibes and I was reading so many books just to review them. And I was not picking books from my personal TBRs. So this February, I picked up Harry Potter that I really wanted to read for so long. Finally, I picked it up and yeah, I'm enjoying it. I am on to the second book right now, Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, and I am loving it. I'm actually not able to put it down. Seriously. Now we are here to open this box which I received from Caffeinated Conversation. It has a brown paper on it which has my address and everything, and this is the box that came. It's in the form of a gift, so let's just see what it has. This as always. Let's just open it like I would open my gifts. I sometimes open my gifts really properly and sometimes I just tear the wrapping apart. Wow, it has my name. It says special delivery and the night circus arrives without warning. I hope you all can read it. Yes, it arrived without warning actually. Let's open this box. Been opening a lot of book boxes lately, thanks all to Caffeinated Conversations and to all the sales that was organized in my city. Wow. First, it's butter flavored popcorn. It's the Night Circus Box actually, and yes, the popcorn belongs to the circus. Thank you so much. See, it's like this. I'm going to keep it back and I'll open it. The first thing is this soap. I wish you all could smell it. It's vanilla flavored. See, and it's beautiful. I hope you all can see it properly. It's beautiful. And it's also like this. The next we have is coffee, of course. 2 packets of coffee. The next we have is this set. First, it has a stick bookmark. Next, next it has my circus ticket. It's a beautiful canvas. Wow. I think I'll put it here or here. I'll see. The next is, I don't know actually. This Caffeinated Conversations notepad. Then we have this card, this postcard. It says, Dear Anjali, this exclusive The Night Circus box comes to you with all the love and happy reading wishes. Love, Kavita. I hope it's visible on the screen and isn't it beautiful? Let's just keep it here. The next we have is, of course, the popcorn tub. I just have to pack it from here, which I'll do later. And last, the Night Circus book. It's beautiful. Its cover is really, really beautiful. It's perfect. So that's it. These were the things which I guess are all worth it. Like, it's so beautiful, the box. I loved it. Caffeinated Conversations, thank you so much for this box. I was literally dying to open it. See, it's all just perfect. So that's it. And you guys, you can also order it from their website. You can ask me anything about this box in DM, and you have to tell me which merch item did you like the most in this box. Guys, you can also order your box, the Night Circus exclusive theme box, from their website using my code BookXP100, so you can get 100 bucks off on the original price. And I hope you love it like I do, and don't forget to tell me which item do you like the most in the box. Bye bye. Guys, this was the unboxing of the Night Circus box from the Caffeinated Conversations, and I have been their rep for almost 2 months now, and I really want to share my experience with you all. Believe me, it's beautiful, it's nice. The owner of Caffeinated Conversations, Kavita, she is so generous, she is so humble, and she really helps me a lot in anything that I do wrong or in anything that I forget. But she never be rude with me. She understands the uh, ethics of ethics of workplace. Even if it's online, she understands it so well. Also, if I talk about the book boxes, I think they are pretty good. Like, if when I was researching about the book boxes, when I was reading about them, that what actually comes in a particular book box, every company has their book box, but what Caffeinated Conversation has, and what I really liked, is that they have equal amount of books and equal amount of merchandise. They focus on both the things equally. And obviously this was the Night Circus box, it was a theme box. So all their contents will be according to the book. But other than that, if I go to the monthly box, if I go to the 6 monthly box or the yearly box, all the contents in the box are equal, like equal amounts of books and equal amounts of merch. They focus on both the things, and that is what I like. This is the bottom line. And that was the main reason that I signed up for their representative program, and I'm so glad that with all your wishes I got selected, and I'm just so happy helping them promoting their book boxes. And even I was anyway going to order one for myself, and as my birthday is coming up, I am again going to order something which you will see is and it's a surprise. I just want to keep it surprise for a while. And other than that, working with them is really great because I really find, or we all really find, like-minded people. And plus, these book boxes, like these pretty stuffs, it's just beautiful. It's just amazing. So my experience with them is amazing so far, and I am loving it. And do check out all their boxes, and you can also use my code bookxp100 to get 100 bucks off. Like, what else do you need? So just links are in the description. Go check it out now. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and suggest me my next video topic. Also, don't forget to provide me feedback, which you know for me is the most important. I see you guys next time.